Governor Gretchen Whitmer is close to signing a law that aims to keep firearms out of the hands of those deemed dangerous to the public. But some law enforcement officials are saying they're not set on actually enforcing it.
13 on your side's Josh Albertus has reaction from county sheriffs to the bill, and he joins us now. Josh, what are they saying?
Well, this red flag bill, as it's called, was given to the governor's office yesterday, meaning she could sign it into law any day now. But whether county sheriffs in charge of enforcing it would do so is another story. As Governor Gretchen Whitmer is poised to sign a key piece of her party's gun reform legislation, some sheriffs have said they're hesitant to enforce it. Livingston County Sheriff Michael Murphy took to Facebook saying he believes the bill to be unconstitutional.
A hearing will be held within 14 days or 5 days. Now, it depends on a couple things, whether it's a 14-day or 5-day. This is the biggest issue. I've got a lot of issues with this law, but this is the biggest issue right here. We're taking possession of somebody's property before the person has an opportunity to defend themselves.
Senate Bill 83 that was given to the governor's office this week would allow courts to issue an order to prohibit someone from owning firearms for at least 1 year if they are deemed a danger to themselves or others. Other sheriffs are taking a different approach to its enforcement.
We fully intend to enforce this once it becomes a law, recognizing that there's a lot of concern from some sheriffs and recognizing that the community's asking for these things. But we also recognize that this is a legal order coming from a court. And so we will enforce our court orders.
Although he recognizes other sheriffs' concerns, Fuller said he's confident courts and sheriffs will work together to recognize the law.
I think in the end that they will come to an agreement that there's a need and that the law is a legal standing law and that they have a duty to perform those duties.
Whitmer is currently on a trip abroad, but is now clear to sign that bill at any time.